What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. In today's video I wanted to talk about MetaTrader 4 and how it's no longer available to download on the App Store. I know that a lot of you guys who watch my videos are individuals who are considering buying a new iPad for trading, so it's important that I address this in today's video. So for those of you guys who are completely new to the world of trading, MetaTrader 4 is one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. One of the most popular trading platforms in the world is no longer available to download off the App Store. The platform was free to download and had millions of users. The simplicity and flexibility of the platform allowed for countless different uses such as executing trades, technical analysis and usage of indicators. It also allowed anyone to access the markets directly from their phones and start trading the markets instantly. Apple removed MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 from the App Store on the 23rd of September, as the app apparently did not comply with its guidelines. The official reason has not been disclosed, but this unexpected move resulted in speculations. One being that the increasing number of frauds being executed through platforms like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which prompted Apple to take quick and drastic actions. Another speculation is the connection between MetaQuote's founder, who is a Russian citizen, and Western sanctions against Russia in the recent Russia-Ukraine conflict. However, the claim was quickly dismissed by a representative of MetaQuotes who said, "We do not believe that Apple's actions are linked in any way with the Western sanctions on Russia." What happened between Apple and MetaQuotes may be unfortunate and could serve as a turning point for users. Currently, traders using iOS devices have to start looking for other platforms to trade on, while Android users can continue to enjoy using the apps like MT4 and MT5 on the Google Play Store. I also know a lot of you guys who watch my videos are looking to buy an iPad for trading, so if you are someone who uses MetaTrader as your main trading platform, you may want to consider purchasing an Android tablet, as you won't be able to download it on your Apple device. However, for Apple users who have installed either MT4 or MT5 previously on their iOS device, there is a possibility to reinstall the platform by going to the App Store and going to Account and then clicking Purchased, and then you can choose the previously installed version and install that. I personally didn't realise they removed the app until one of you actually told me in the comment section. The app still works perfectly fine on my iPad, so I didn't even realise. However, as someone who uses MT4 on both my iPhone and iPad, I may have to transition over to an app like CTrader, as there is no certainty that MT4 will receive any updates in the future on iOS devices. So in the next video, I'll be running over all the features of CTrader and why it may be a better option for yourself, especially if you still want to trade on an iPad. I'll hopefully be uploading that video next week, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out. So to answer the overall question, can you still trade on an iPad? The answer is yes, but just not using the MetaTrader 4 app. You can still use the iPad perfectly fine for your other aspects of trading like technical analysis and fundamental analysis. You'll just need to find an alternative app for executing your trades. So, as I mentioned earlier, an app like CTrader will work perfectly fine on an iPad. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.